Good morning, students. In previous lectures, we had saw what is the expression for sample size under SRSWR and under SRSWR when we want to estimate a population mean for a specified marginal and relative error and confidence coefficient. Also, we had seen under SRSWR and SRSWR expression for sample size when we want to estimate a population proportion for a specified marginal error and confidence coefficient. In this lecture, we will going to see the first theorem, which is under SRSWR derive an expression for sample size means some small n to estimate population proportion means capital P is our parameter so as to meet the specified relative error and confidence coefficient. We want to prove this one. So proof for this one. To find n such that relative error is given. So probability of mod of small p minus capital P upon capital P. So this is relative error. This is statistics. This is parameter. Capital P is your parameter. Less than d means this is specified, and for a specified confidence interval means this probability equal to 1 minus alpha. Now send this p in this side. So this will be probability of. So this implies probability of mod of small p minus capital P less than dp. This one is capital P, which is equal to 1 minus alpha. We know that under SRSWR, expected value of small p is capital P and variance of small p is capital PQ upon small n. This means sample proportion is an unbiased estimator of population proportion and variance of the sample proportion is this one. So if expected value of P is capital P and variance of P is capital PQ upon small n, so this means small p follows approximately normal with mean capital P and variance PQ by small n. This is asymptotically. Now convert this into standard norm. So to convert this into standard normal variable is denoted by capital Z. So small p minus its expectation upon under root of its variance. So under root of capital PQ upon small n. This follows normal 0. Now look at here. So to convert this into Z, so therefore probability of divide this by root of PQ by n. This will be mod of small p minus capital P upon root of PQ by small n less than dp upon root of PQ by small n is equal to 1 minus alpha. If Z is standard normal variable, then probability of mod Z less than Z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. We know this thing. So compare this equation with this one, then we get dp upon root of PQ by n dp upon root of PQ by small n is equal to Z alpha by 2. So send this root of PQ by n here, and this will be uh, dp upon, and send this Z alpha by 2 here. So Z alpha by dp upon Z alpha by 2 is equal to root of PQ by small n. This implies take square on both sides. So this will be d square p square upon Z alpha by 2 square is equal to PQ by small n. So here send this n in this side and all these things here. So this will be small n is equal to PQ into Z alpha by 2 square divided by d square p square. Here 1p gets cancelled. So n will be now q by p into Z alpha by 2 by d bracket square. So this is formula for or expression for sample size to estimate a population proportion for a specified relative error and confidence coefficient. Now remark, usually P and Q are unknown. So here put their estimators Q cap and Q cap. So Q cap is actually small q and P cap is actually small p. So a remark is usually capital P and Q are not known or unknown. Then put its estimators. Small p and small q. Therefore, in this case, n will be q by small p Z alpha by 2 by d whole bracket square. Now look at next theorem. Here, the method is without replacement. Under SRSWR, derive an expression for sample size. Means here also we want to find expression for small n to estimate population proportion. Means parameter is your capital P so as to meet the specified relative error. Here, error is relative error and for a specified confidence coefficient. So proof of this theorem. To find n such that probability of mod of small p minus capital P upon capital P less than d. So specified relative error means mod of p minus capital P upon capital P less than d. This is specified, and for a specified confidence coefficient means probability of this is equal to 1 minus alpha. Send this p in this side, so this will be probability of mod of p minus capital P less than dp. This p is always positive because p means population proportion. 1 minus alpha. Under SRSWOR method is without replacement. We know that sample proportion is an unbiased estimator of population proportion. Means expected value of small p is capital P and variance of small p is n minus n upon n minus 1 capital PQ upon small n. So we can say this small p follows approximately normal with mean capital P and variance n minus n upon n minus 1 capital PQ by small n. This is asymptotically, or we can say approximately. We want to convert this into standard normal. So to convert this into standard normal, so Z is equal to small p minus capital P upon root of variances n minus n upon n minus 1 PQ upon small n. This follows normal 0. So here, to convert this into Z, we have to divide it by root of variance of P. So therefore, probability of mod of P minus capital P upon root of n minus n upon n minus 1 capital PQ upon small n less than, here it is dp, look at here it is dp divided by root of n minus n upon n minus 1 PQ by small n is equal to 1 minus alpha. We know if Z follows, Z is standard normal variable, then probability of mod Z less than Z alpha by 2 is equal to 1 minus alpha. So if we compare these two equations, then we get, what we get? We get dp upon root of n minus n upon n minus 1 capital PQ upon small n is equal to Z alpha by 2. Now we want to solve this for small n. So how to solve this implies dp into root of n minus 1 upon small n divided by n minus root of n minus n into PQ is equal to Z alpha by 2. Squaring on both sides. So after squaring, this will be dp, no, it is d square p square into n minus 1 small n divided by n minus n into PQ is equal to Z square alpha by 2. This implies d square p square n minus 1 n is equal to, send this quantity in this side, so this will be Z square alpha by 2 n minus n PQ. So this implies d square p square n minus 1 into small n is equal to Z square alpha by 2. So multiply this Z square alpha by 2 here and PQ in this bracket. So this will be Z square alpha by 2 n PQ minus Z square alpha by 2 small n PQ. Send this plus minus Z square alpha by 2 n PQ in this side, so it will become plus. So here it will be d square p square n minus 1 small n plus Z square alpha by 2 small n PQ is equal to Z square alpha by 2 capital N PQ. From these two terms, we can take small n common because we want to solve this for small n. So take small n common. Here it is d square p square n minus 1 plus here it is Z square alpha by 2 PQ is equal to Z square alpha by 2 capital N PQ. Send this quantity in this side, so this will be n is equal to z square alpha by 2 capital NP cube divided by d square p square n minus 1 plus z square alpha by 2 p cube. Divide throughout by d square p square n. So if you divide here numerator and denominator by z square alpha by 2 n p cube divided by d square p square n. So divide numerator and denominator by d square p square by n. Look at here, this will be d square p square n minus 1 plus z square alpha by 2 capital P cube divided by d square p square into n. So here n gets cancelled, 1p also gets cancelled. So here it will be q by p. So this is q by p into z alpha by 2 by d bracket square whole divided by, if we divide this by d square p square into n, then d square p square gets cancelled and it will be n minus 1 upon n. So I can write this as 1 minus 1 upon n. Alright? Plus, if I divide this by d square p square by n, then 1p will get cancelled. It will be q by p into the remaining things are z alpha by 2 by d bracket square. So I can here it will be capital N also. Alright. So I can rewrite it as q by p into z alpha by 2 by d square divided by, take 1 upon n common from this one. So 1 plus 1 upon n. So in bracket there will be q by p into z alpha by 2 by d square minus 1. So this is the formula for small n under SRSWR when we want to estimate a population proportion for a specified relative error and confidence coefficient. Now remark, usually P and Q are unknown, so we have to put their estimators. Q and P are known only when we know the whole population. So first remark is, usually P and Q are not known, then put its estimators. Small p and small q. So small n will be small q upon small p into z alpha by 2 by d bracket square divided by 1 plus 1 upon n into q by p z alpha by 2 by d bracket square minus 1. So here when capital P and Q are unknown, then we have to put their estimators. These are obtained from samples. Small p means sample proportion and small q means 1 minus small p. So formula for sample size will be this. Sometimes capital N is also not known. Capital N means population size. So in that case, if capital N is not given, we assume that capital N is very large than small n and if n is capital N is very large, then look at here, if n tends to infinity, then this quantity becomes 0. In that case, small n, the approximate value of n will be q by p into z alpha by 2 by d bracket square. Alright, now move to example. Look at this example. From a population of 500 units, means capital N is 500, a sample is to be selected by SRSWR method. Method is without replacement. To estimate population mean means we want to estimate a capital Y bar within 10% of its true value. Now 10% of its true value means, actually look at here, capital N is 500, and we want to find small n. For probability of small y bar minus capital Y bar less than 10% of the true value means 10% of true value is actually capital Y bar. So their absolute difference is less than 10% of Y bar. To estimate population mean within 10% of its true value. Within 10% of its true value means 10% of Y bar. Apart from a chance of 1 in 20. 1 in 20 means actually alpha is equal to 1 by 20. So alpha equal to 1 by 20 means actually it is 0.05. If population coefficient of variation is 45%. So coefficient of variation is 45% means actually it is 0.45. Alright, it is given in percentage. Determine the sample size. So we want to find sample size small n. The method is SRSWR. Here we want to find small n such that probability of mod of small y bar minus capital Y bar less than 10% of its true value means capital Y bar is equal to, we take it is 1 minus alpha. So alpha is 0.05 means 1 minus alpha will be 0.95. Send this Y bar here. This will be probability of Y bar minus capital Y bar upon capital Y bar less than 1 by 10. Okay, 10% means actually 0.1. So it is 1 by 10. Now, when method is SRSWR and the relative error for a specified relative error and for specified confidence interval, we know we already obtained this formula. Formula for it is this one. N is equal to Z alpha by 2 into coefficient of variation upon D square 1 plus 1 upon N Z alpha by 2 coefficient of variation upon D whole bracket square. Capital N is given, Z alpha by 2 obtained from table for 5% level of significance, coefficient of variation given which is 0.45 and D is 0.1. Put all these values here. Z alpha by 2 means alpha is equal to 0.05. So Z alpha by 2 will be, this is obtained from table at 5% level of significance. This is 1.96. Coefficient of variation given 0.45%, which means actually 0.45. D is this one, 1 by 10 means actually 0.1. Capital N is 500. After putting all these values and solving using calculator, N will be 67.3186 and approximately it equal to 67. So capital N is equal to 67. So we have to take sample of size 67 by SRSWR method from this 500 units. Thank you.